dessert and making desserts, but it's been very hot and humid. I have a very easy recipe to make. It's chilled and it takes less than an hour to put together. Show you how to do it. All you need is Oreos, butter, whipping cream, chocolate chips, and powdered sugar. Now I'm going to take a 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix it with 2 cups of these Oreo cookies, all crushed. There you have it. Now I'm going to put it on the bottom of this pan. Put 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips in a... Now I'm going to take 3 cups heavy cream and a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to beat this until stiff peaks form. Got the stiff peaks. Took a bit because the humidity is so thick in the air that it affects your whipped cream. 4 cups of this to the chocolate. Now I'm going to take the remaining cream and put it over the top. Actually, I'm going to stick it in the freezer and wait for it to set. And then I'm going to put some of the topping on the top, and I'll see you then. Pie is all set, so now I'm going to stick on the rest of these chocolate chips. Take the cream out and finally smash up the chocolate cookie part. Attractive. So it wasn't in there long enough, but
attractive.